This is a grilled cheese tutorial. First, gather your ingredients: cheese, bread, and butter. These are your ingredients you need. Turn the griddle onto 325 degrees and wait. Once the griddle is up to 325 degrees, butter one side of the bread. Place the bread on the griddle. Make sure the butter side is downwards. Put 2 slices of cheese on the bread. Put the bread on top of the cheese, making sure the butter is facing upwards. When you think the grilled cheese is done to your liking, flip it to the other side. Take the grilled cheese off and put it on a plate. Make sure to turn off your oven after you're done, and enjoy.